Hello everyone, so in this short video we want to demonstrate how our new 9-inch full setup for Toyota Altitude, Toyota Prado Altitude, Prado VX and Prado Kakadu 150 series between 2010 and 2009 and 2013 model. So this is the video for the demonstration that our head unit connect and display the factory reverse camera and also the factory 360-degree camera, even in case you have 3 or 4 camera and when you reverse. Okay, so here is an Altitude 2012 Prado, and look at this. When we reverse, on the screen here you can see that it is running wireless Android Auto on the screen, and we are recording with our phone here actually. So assuming that you are driving with the GPS running and music's running like this, and then you go reverse, okay, and then you quickly see the reverse screen, which actually showing the factory camera and the factory information here and factory parking sensor showing and beeping on the front, because we are pointing the front car to the other objects to demonstrate how it works. Okay, so that's the way that it actually working over here. Now look at the meter light. Okay, that is the dynamic guide light. So you can see that when I try to swing the steering, it try to turn the dynamic guide light. Okay, that is the factory reverse camera. So it is the factory camera, so it display on the new 9-inch system that we supplied like that way. So it looks very similar like what it was on the factory screen before, but now it actually show up with more information, like the dynamic guide light here. You wouldn't have this dynamic guide light on the factory screen before, I believe. At least in our Prado 2012 Altitude here, we don't have that showing up, but now it certainly show up, and the red light from the factory. Yep, so that's the way it show up with the factory reverse camera on our system. And now if in case you have an Kakadu that you have 3 or 4 cameras surrounding the car, and you have one button on the steering, okay, that when you press the button it will show up the camera on the screen. Now actually when you reverse like this, you can press your button like normal and it will show up other different cameras on the screen at the same time as well. So that's the basic system working, and also we provide you the Kakadu and VX if you have the surrounding camera set up with other special system from us. So yep, just give us a call and we talk about the details. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.